Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen to Multiple Stream King, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full Family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen real quick. I need to take a sip of water, man. Oh, I need to take a sip of water. So I know you all tuned in. Like, what is going on, LaDerrick? Are you serious? I'm as serious can be. Welcome to my new marketing system. Yes. I got a lot of business partners and friends who are excited that I've joined the Conversion Pros family. Let's just talk about how we got here, and then I'm going to share with you the value. I believe this system has more value than anything I've ever seen. Shout out to a few of my mentors and business partners for letting me see the light. But also, you know me, just being the entrepreneur I am, I like to go and beta test things, and let's just get there. Okay, let's talk about it real quick. Let's go ahead and address the elephant in the room. Weren't you promoting Builderall? I was. Okay, it was something that was brought to my attention before TCP. Okay, but I wanted to test the waters first. Okay, let's just be real, be honest with you all. And Builderall was just too technical. Okay, and I'm a person, because I'm just so in love with this industry, I was cool with it. Okay, I was like, you know what, I'm going to test the waters and see what it does. So I did that. All right, and so we're testing the waters. You know, I myself could tell it was too technical, but people that were getting involved with me was just like, man, this is confusing. And I said, you know what? And I told people right off the bat, people that reached out to me about Builderall, I let them know, hey, you're going to have to be serious about this, because it's not something you can just, put together overnight. It's going to take some time. You're going to have to sit back and go through the training and really digest it, man. Okay, it's not something you can do overnight. Okay, I had people who didn't even join me in Builderall would reach out to me and say, man, I'm in Builderall, but how are you doing this? It's just confusing. And it was tough. All right, it's not mobile friendly. All right, you really have to have a laptop, because like a lot of the pages that you would set up would be for desktop only. All right, and then you would see it on your mobile device, and everything was just all discombobulated. You were like, what? I set it up to look good, but it wasn't mobile friendly. You have to go in and set it up completely different for the mobile version. Just too much. Okay, I'm a guy of simplicity. Okay, how I build my business, I run my business off of a formula. That formula is GSM, which stands for God. I put God first above all. All right, I keep it simple. All right, and then the money gonna come. That's our formula. All right, GSM. All right, Conversion Pros is GSM and then some. Okay, it's built on simplicity. Like at the click of a button, okay, you can have a capture page, a landing page. Okay, share codes and things of that nature. All right, here's the thing: if you're running a business, you need tools. Okay, you need tools. So that's the reason why I'm adamant on keeping tools and systems to run my businesses. Okay, the Conversion Pros gets it done. Okay, you need leads. All right, you want more sales, you want more customers, you need the Conversion Pros. Simple and plain. So let's get into it. Let me show you. Let me just show you why. First of all, let me tell you like this real quick. Before you even say, hey, all right, how much is going to cost? Listen, it costs you nothing for 14 days. You can see right here, 14-day trial announcement. 14 days, no credit card required. Listen, there's no tricks where you have to go and put your credit card information in now and then automatically you get charged. No, they're going to leave it up to you. We're going to fully let you test this entire website, everything for 14 days. For 14 days, it's like you've actually purchased the system is what it's going to feel like, because you get access to everything for 14 days. All right, and then within that trial, you can go ahead and upgrade, all right, if you choose to. Okay, but look, when I say it has everything at the click of a button. Okay, so let's just get down to the marketing suite. All right, that's what I want to show you all. All right, you actually now can create your own webinars for your businesses. Okay, like I said, a landing page builder. If you know how to do landing pages, all right, you can go ahead and get in there. It's going to show you step by step, like videos step by step, showing you how to build a landing page. Okay, but for those of y'all who say, you know what, I'm just ready to get started right now, there are pre-built pages for you already. There's share codes, and I'm going to show you those here in a second. But it's going to show you how to build a landing page. Like I said, you want a pre-built landing page? Boom. Here you go. Click on it. They have share codes for you right then and there. All right. Pretty much for any journal. I don't care what you're promoting, what network marketing company you're promoting, what business you're in. All right. They have landing pages already set and ready to go for you. Okay. I've been ecstatic since I've been involved. I just want to show you all something real quick. Okay. So check this out. Let's just say you're in the weight loss niche. Here's the share code. It's as simple as copy and paste. All right. So let's just preview it. Okay. This stuff is already done for you. With Builder, I don't want to keep bringing them up. You had to go create everything. You had to go create everything. But look, boom, simple and fast. Okay, and if I wanted that, all right, all I have to do, let's go back real quick. All I have to do is hit copy, go put my URL information in there, and boom, my landing page is done. That simple. Okay, let's keep going. All right, right now what's jumping? That's real popular right now. There's plenty of TCP pages for the conversion pros to get going. Credit repair. Credit repair is very, very popular right now. So we go, there goes a landing page. Boom, I preview it. If I like what I see, boom, I copy it and keep going. Okay, that's man, they have so many. I'm not gonna go through all of them. They have some pretty dope landing pages. And like I say, you can go ahead and copy. And the thing about it is, when you get on one of these landing pages, you may say, yeah, I like it, but I would tweak this and tweak that. Once you copy it, you can go in and you can go change the font of the letters. You can go change the color. You can go change the picture. All right. You can go change the video. All right. It's like this was playing a video. You can go take the video and put your own video in. Whatever you want to do, you can go in and edit it. All right. Real simple. You don't have to go and create the entire thing yourself. You can go to a landing page that they've already created for you. All right. You can go and change the letters. You might want these letters to be red or yellow to stick out. You might have your own video that works, or a video that you found on YouTube that you want to make your own. You can put it in there, okay? That's what I love about it, because I had so many people that were in business like, man, I just want to create a simple landing page, and that was difficult. All right, when I had to create a landing page for myself, it took some work. And I was like, wow, but I was sticking and standing, just trying to figure the thing out. Okay, beautiful thing about this, it has its own autoresponder. It has a built-in autoresponder. They already have pre-scripted messages. You can either put your own messages in there, all right, that you want to send out to your leads, okay, or you can create your own. Okay, got an email broadcast where you want to just send out a broadcast email, something you may have done that day. Some success tip that may have happened inside your company with you or with your business partners. All right, a big announcement that you want to share. Boom, broadcast to your entire email list, and you all know the money is in the email list. Okay. Man, there's so much. You all get to test this for 14 days. The link is below, www.learnenearnchecks.com. They got generic marketing videos, local marketing videos, okay? A lot of you all, if you're like me, you're going to want to create your own videos, but until you get comfortable, they have videos here for you, okay? External capture pages, okay? They have a mobile app now, all right? So when you do get a lead, all right, that's what I love, because it was a company that I was using before Builderall that had an app that when you got that lead, you can reach out to them right away. The hottest leads are the time that a lead is its hottest is when they first go onto your page, when they first give you that email, when they first give you that phone number. You want to be able to contact them right away. Hey, I see you visited my website. You got any questions or concerns? I am here for you. They love that. Okay. TCP webinars, TCP training. Man, the owner of this platform, he gives you so much training, so many tools. You're going to be so comfortable, and I promise you, you're going to be on this system every day, all day. I have literally been going crazy myself. Okay, full step-by-step walkthrough training. You definitely want to click this fast start training to get started. All right, everything that you need to learn from capture landing pages, basic training. All right, drag and drop builder training, share codes. For anyone that's like in my econ right now, you all know that I'm promoting my econ. I already have share codes ready for you. If you choose to join, all right, you say, hey, I'm in my econ, I've been following you. I wanna get that share code for the landing page. I already got you set, baby. All right, I already got you. Okay, but they have plenty. Okay, everything step by step. Check this out. So we all know that leads are the lifeline of our business, right? Well, now you can order leads within the system. You all know that I was promoting a company there where you actually can purchase leads. But those leads are cold leads. All right. These leads that you're going to buy through the Conversion Pros are targeted leads. All right. Specifically for your niche. Okay. And that's the beautiful thing about this. So you can actually go in and order the leads. Okay. They have different lead types. I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. So I can go in here for TCP prospect leads. TCP prospect leads, that just basically mean people who are interested, who are already involved in the network marketing niche, who already have a business, okay, and are looking for something like this, okay. These leads are already, they already want what you have. You just go ahead and purchase these leads, and then you send your information to them, okay. Personal campaign leads, so whatever business you are promoting or company that you're promoting, these are going to be leads that people have opted in and say they're looking to run a business, okay? And then boom, you click on that, all right, and then check out the category, okay? So you got generic business opportunity for male or female, all right? You can do female only. You can do live interview leads. The live interview leads are people who are ready to go, okay? Ready to go. So let's just look at the prices, all right? So for the generic, let me scoot myself over here. For the generic opportunity, male and female, 50 leads, 88 cents per lead, $44 package. Now it's only $39.60. Okay, 100 leads, so on and so forth. You see the prices. You can go in and purchase these leads right away. All right, typically takes 24 to 48 hours to get your leads. Okay, when it comes to the live interview leads, just a little bit more. Okay, like I said, these leads are ready to go. 25 leads is $3.40 a lead. These leads are ready to go. All you need to do is call them, follow up with them. All right, and work your lead. Okay, but you have leads already in your back office. You have to go into any third-party system to get started. I love that. Okay, I love that. Man, this system is crazy. This system is off the chain. And like I say, it's training for everything. All right, so once you do get these leads and you're like, well, I don't know what to say or what to do, they have everything in the back office for you. Okay, you just need to get in this thing and work it. Okay, and just be able to follow basic training step by step. Okay, step by step. Also, it has an amazing comp plan. I'm going to show you this as well. I'm just kind of just navigating through the back office, just clicking. Since I've gotten started, this is all I've been doing. Going through the training, getting excited. I've already been sharing it with people. I already got people that are excited, starting their 14-day trial. And like I say, after the 14 days, if you choose to join, you do. If you say, nah, it's not for me, it's not for you. But who, right now, who doesn't like free? Like, you literally get to test it for 14 weeks and go in and get some free training. All right, free training, okay? Everything you need to do, step by step, everything you need to learn. If you're a newbie, you're going to learn everything there is to know about internet marketing. What is a sales funnel? Using pre-built pages, building pages, all right? Connecting the pages, finding your page URL, setting up the autoresponder, you won't need me for anything. You always know I'm here for your support and for your help, and you're also going to be added to our Facebook community with 6-figure, 7-figure earners that have been using this tool. You got people buying Rolls Royces and Bentleys and things from using the Conversion Pros. Literally becoming 6-figure and 7-figure earners inside their companies. All right, becoming top leaders within their network marketing companies because of the Conversion Pros. I'm excited. Let me take another sip of water. Oh my God. I can honestly say I'm home. I can honestly say I'm excited because it's so simple. You don't need any technical skills, okay? With the other company, I won't keep saying the name anymore because I don't want this to be like a bashing, but it was just, I think they're stuck in they haven't caught up with the times yet. All right, and in order to get there fast, you need to get there with simplicity. If you want to have some fast success, it needs to be a simpler model. And there were so many people inside the company, like inside of the group, of the private group that we were in, just having trouble and struggling because it's tough to get set up. With this, it isn't. With this, it isn't. Like I said, at the click of a button, you can have your capture page. At the click of, can you copy and paste? Can you copy and paste? Okay, let me show you all something real quick. Also, what I love about it, all right, I already know that I'm gonna rock this business, this on the business side of it before it's becoming an affiliate, because I know so many people that need this system and need this tool. All right, and you all do as well if you're already involved in business. If you're watching this, you're already involved in the business, okay? And if you're not involved in the business, this is the perfect business model to get up under because there's millions of people that are involved in this particular niche, network working from home, okay? And they need tools, all right? And so you could just sell this by itself. You don't even have to have a company. So if you're looking at this, say, you know what, I'm just looking for a business to get started. Well, check this out, all right? Once they pay for their membership, all right, you get $25. So it's $25 per person. So 5 memberships, that's $125 per month. 10 is $250 per month. 20 is $500 per month. So on and so forth to where you get 400 active memberships, which is crazy simple. Like I've had businesses where opportunities where I brought in thousands. Okay, you have a residual of $10,000 per month, which is 400 people. Come on, y'all. Y'all know I'm going to get there, right? All right, and you can too. Okay, you can too. Check this out. If you want to build your business, they have training on how you can build your business by using it, how to use this tool and use this platform to build your business. You want to build TCP, all right, and you want to get to that 10,000 per month, boom. Build TCP. Go click on the training and follow it step by step and stick to it. All right, it's not going to happen by you not doing anything. You're going to have to do the work. Okay, but when you got training step by step showing you how to do it, commit the time, dedicate yourself, and say, you know what? I deserve this. Anything that you want, you can have. All right? But you got to want it. All right? You deserve it. Absolutely, we all deserve abundance. We all deserve to have money overflowing. Okay? But you have to put in the work. It's not going to be given to you. Okay? And I just thank God for systems like this. I'm so happy to be a part of the company. Like I said, once you're ready, all you have to do is hit upgrade now. All right? All the tabs that you need, everything is at your disposal, simply as a click of a button. Okay? When you get started, this is where you want. This is where you're going to want to go. You're going to want to go to the Fast Start training, so you can get completely set up. You're going to download the app, all right, for Android or for Apple. Okay, you get notifications. Man, I had tested it myself just for the mobile app and seen that I got a notification to my phone right away. I can call, text them, or send an email right away. All right, autoresponders, everything you need, it's here. Okay, I'm going to be doing step-by-step trainings. I'm going to allow you to follow my process as I build the Conversion Pros. You watch. I am so much more comfortable with this system than I was with the other one, just simply because it was a lot going on. All right, it was a lot going on. It was pretty enticing with some of the stuff that they offer, but it's just not simple. All right, and I don't want to have to get involved with something technical because it's not duplicatable for others. I may be able to do it, but is it duplicatable? Can some average Joe come in and be able to follow what I'm doing? And it just wasn't the case. So I had to part ways with them, and I'm excited. I'm home. TCP, the Conversion Pros. Let's go build these businesses, y'all. If y'all love in love with the network marketing industry, if y'all love in love with making money from home, man, like this video. All right, share this video, and let's get involved, man. Click the link, www.learnandearnchecks.com. Let's go try it for 14 days. If you don't like it, hey, more power to you. I'm gonna move on. We're gonna move on to the next, because I promise you, I'm gonna bring in over 400 people inside this opportunity, man, and we're gonna crush it. We're gonna crush it all of 2019. And I got big news to any of my YouTube subscribers. When I say Paid in Full is back, we back. I'm gonna just leave it at that. And I'm not talking about the Conversion Pros. I'm in love with this system, but it's gonna be something I'm gonna be using with this system. I can't hold it in. PNF, we back, man. I see y'all on the next video. It's your boy. Click the link. Free trial. 14 days. Get started. You still watching? Get off there. Wow.